Hello. I believe that riding my bike helps me to see beauty. Okay? Very important. Right now it's winter time, so I'm not really able to just go ride my bike willy-nilly because in Michigan we have a lot of snow. But in the summertime, in the fall, and the spring, when I'm able to ride my bike, I can actually see just all this different things about nature. It allows you to kind of take a step back and really understand just how big life is, just how fun life is supposed to be, and just how relaxed and how, what the pace of your life is supposed to be like. For example, when I'm riding, you can kind of watch the cars go by. You can look at the trees. You can kind of smell the outdoors. You just kind of get to see all these different colors that you generally would not be able to see when you're inside, or if you're inside of a building for a different social event. And it helps you to get perspective on, what's important in life and what's really, what's actually real. So, what does that mean for my business? So what that allows me to do is it allows me to see different opportunities and to see things from a different view than a lot of other people do because I can take a time to go get grounded in, nature, and then it allows me to go and move forward in my business a lot faster. If that's what you're searching for, to be able to move faster in your business, I recommend that you go check out the link in the description below to my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. It's going to be great for you because we allow you to go and move towards your goals faster. If that's what you're searching for, go check out that group. Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.